Want to generate realistic AI voiceovers, clone voices, or create audio for videos and podcasts? Before you can access these powerful features, you'll need an ElevenLabs account. Yeah, in this guide, I'll show you how to create an ElevenLabs account in 2026. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official ElevenLabs website. Using the official website helps ensure your account is created securely. Click Sign Up or Get Started to begin creating your account. Depending on what's available, you can usually register with your email address or continue using a supported sign-in provider such as Google. If you're signing up with email, enter your email address and create a strong password. Choose a password that's unique and difficult to guess to help protect your account. After submitting the form, check your email inbox for a verification message from ElevenLabs. Open the email and click the verification link to activate your account. Once your email has been verified, sign in to your new ElevenLabs account. You may be asked to answer a few onboarding questions or choose how you plan to use the platform. Now that your account is ready, explore the ElevenLabs dashboard. You'll find tools for text-to-speech, voice cloning, dubbing, projects, and other AI-powered audio features available with your account. And that's how to create an ElevenLabs account in 2026. With your account set up, you're ready to start generating realistic AI voiceovers and exploring everything the platform has to offer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.